we are looking at how to pronounce this word of French origin, and we're gonna be looking at how to say more confusing names and words pronunciations like this one too many people get wrong. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Let's start with the French pronunciation, crèche. So it comes from French, which is why in English it's pronounced as crèche. Yes, CH in French is like SH, so it's not crèche or creche or creche. It's an A sound in the middle. It's just one syllable. Crèche is how you say it, including in English. Now you know. If you pronounce it any differently, let us know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Stay tuned. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.